So today I've got my hands on a brand new handheld game console by Anbernic. So this is the RG552. Now this console looks the business. You've got a powerful chipset, great build quality, and the ability to run multiple operating systems, including Linux and full Android. Now, first of all, quick look at what you get inside the box. So we have a user manual, a tempered glass screen protector, so that's a proper hard glass protector included. You've got screen wipes to go with that, a Type-C to Type-C charging cable, a 30-watt power supply, a 16GB microSD card, and the console itself. Now the console is actually made from a plastic body but finished in this metallic silver color. It does feel quite solid and well made, but at the same time it's light and portable. Now the dimensions are 19.8 centimeters in width, 8.5 centimeters in height, and it's 2 centimeters in thickness, and it only weighs 355 grams. Now you do have dual clickable joysticks. You've got a D-pad, select button, start button, X, Y, B and A, and you've got your trigger buttons as well, R1, R2 and L1, L2. Quick look at the ports. Starting from the right, you've got your power button. On the top you've got a mini HDMI out, headphone jack, a USB-C port for data transfer, and a Type-C port for fast charging. And over here you can see you've got your vents for your cooling fan. On this side you've got a volume rocker, and at the bottom of the device you've got, first of all, speakers on either side, so stereo speakers. You've got a micro SD card slot 1, reset button, a function button, and then you've got a micro SD card slot 2. Quickly run through the specs. So this console is powered by the Rockchip 3399 Hexa-core, clocked at 1.8 GHz. You've also got 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. You are looking at a 5.36 inch IPS display, fully laminated screen, and the resolution is 1920 by 1152. Now there is built-in single band 2 GHz Wi-Fi BGN, so no 5 GHz available, which is a shame, but the console also has a cooling fan built in, so no worries about overheating because the Rockchip 3399 is known to run hot. It's quite a powerful chip, usually found in Android TV boxes, so the cooling fan certainly helps. Now the console is running full Android 7.1, and you do have a respectful 6400 mAh battery built in, which means around 6 hours of retro gaming depending on what system you are playing, and it does support fast charging, so 30-watt fast charging included in the box. Now there is a 16GB card included. If you stick this memory card into slot 1 and power on this unit, it will actually boot up an arcade system menu with a Linux backend. So you can see how it integrates multiple systems into the OS, and all you do is hit the A button and it will bring up a huge list of games that you can immediately launch just by tapping the A button again, or press the B button to go back into the system menus. You can see all the favorites are there, including PlayStation, PSP, Neo Geo, Dreamcast, Game Gear, Mega Drive, Master System, but you've got DS, you've got GB Advance, GB Color, you got N64, SNES, Game Boy, you got NES, PC Engine, Capcom 3, 2 and 1, and MAME, Final Burn, favorites, all games, and then back to PSP. Alright, so now I'm going to reset back into full Android, so remove the memory card and just hit the reset button. You can hear that fan spinning right there. So we are now loading back into full Android 7.1. So it's definitely nice to have the option to choose between Android and Linux. And with Android, you can see we have the ATV menus pre-installed, so nice looking layout. You can install any Android APK you like, but you also have the Google Play Store included, which is certainly useful. You can download all your favorite games and apps. And this is a capacitive touchscreen, as you can see, which is very useful. And you do have your top and bottom status bars, which also helps in navigation. Now either way, Android or Linux, this console does not come with any games. No games included, so you have to arrange your own games. And your games would go into micro SD card slot 2. So I've got a 128GB card here with my games, with my collection. Stick that in there and you're good to go. All your games will get picked up by the individual software emulators that you have. I did go ahead and install Stadia and PS Remote Play. So let's jump straight into the gaming side. We're going to play a whole bunch of games from various different systems, and I'll show you how well they handle with this console. So let's go.
This victory will be a match to remember. Fight!
Suspect seen heading south. Block all major roads and capture the suspect.
So next up, N64 emulation, and we are doing this with Mupen 64FZ. Who just ran in? Someone's... Who is that? Triple H. Triple H came in to attack me. He's cheating. What the hell? This game is sick. This game is better than the wrestling games that we play right now. I forgot how to run. I'm gonna get counted out. Throw me in the ring, please. Yes, because I don't know how to get back in. Boom. Let's try, see if that works. Yes, what a clothesline. If you guys follow that, that was a clothesline from hell. Alright, time for some PSP action. And I'll just quickly skim through it just to show you. You can see the rendering resolution right there, display resolution.
When he's got the ball in his feet, he can cross it and they get to it. Cross collected by the defender. Oh, caught in the net.
So now we're going to check out some PlayStation games. And here are the quick look at the graphics settings of COD Mobile, and you can see so maximum graphics supported is low and frame rate is medium. Now these controls are not supported when playing a game like Call of Duty Mobile, but you can play with the touchscreen. Now having full Android means you can also watch your favorite content from YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video and other streaming services. So this is how 1080p streaming looks like on YouTube. As you can see, it does work, it does stream pretty well. And the sound quality is also very good.
Simple save, really. Firmino. And then with a real chance. Oh yes! It's gone in! And now a chance for them to revel in the moment. Well, here's the replay. It's lovely interplay between the two of them. And sometimes, with all the time in the world, you can fluff your lines. But he composes himself and slips it past the keeper beautifully.
Now from within the Stadia settings, if you set your resolution to a maximum of 720p, then yes, you can enjoy your Stadia games without any stuttering or buffering issues. Alright, let's switch this console off. Alright, let's go to DS. So there you have it guys, that was the Anbernic RG552. You are getting a pretty good build quality, a great looking screen, the controls are comfortable and it feels nice in the hands. I like that you have dual vibration motors and the built-in speakers are amazing quality. The cooling fan switches itself on and off when needed and does a pretty good job of keeping the system running cool. 2 GHz Wi-Fi, however, is an issue for streaming games from various platforms including Google Stadia, unless you stream at 720p, but even then, don't expect the smoothest game streaming experience. However, as you guys saw, it did struggle with Wii emulation when using Dolphin, but every other system emulated absolutely fine with no issues. Now, all that being said, this is an enjoyable handheld retro game console. It's capable of running both Android or Linux, and I do like the fact that you have the Google Play Store and the ability to watch online videos and movies via YouTube, Netflix, Prime, etc. Now, this console is portable and lightweight. It's great for traveling and commuting. Battery life is also very good, and you do get a 30-watt fast charger included in the box. Now, yes, the price is quite high, but this is what you can expect from an Anbernic handheld. They are known for their premium build quality, and of course, you do get what you pay for. Now, any questions or anything further that you want me to test, let me know in the comments, and I'll certainly get it done for you guys. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.